Welcome to SA Car Review, your ultimate destination for discovering the most innovative, luxurious, and powerful vehicles in the world. Whether you're passionate about supercars, motorhomes, or futuristic machines, we bring you detailed reviews, in-depth specifications, and exclusive insights you won't find anywhere else. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most extraordinary creations of 2025, the Bugatti Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right, Bugatti, the name synonymous with speed and luxury, has now entered the world of high-end recreational vehicles. The 2025 Bugatti Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a bold statement of engineering excellence, blending the unmatched performance of a supercar with the comfort and sophistication of a five-star hotel on wheels. Designed with cutting-edge technology and crafted using premium materials, this motorhome is unlike anything currently on the roads. The sleek aerodynamic exterior reflects Bugatti's signature design language, with sculpted curves, active air vents, and a low-slung profile that defies traditional motorhome appearances. It's clear from the first glance that this is no ordinary RV under the hood. The Bugatti Motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain combining a twin-turbocharged W16 engine with an electric motor system. This setup produces over 1,500 horsepower, making it the most powerful motorhome ever produced. With a top speed of over 190 miles per hour and an acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, it offers supercar-level performance in a vehicle that can comfortably house a family on a cross-country journey. Despite its power, the hybrid system also ensures better fuel efficiency compared to traditional motorhomes in its class. Inside, the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome is a masterpiece of interior design. The cabin is outfitted with handcrafted leather, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting throughout. The living area features an expandable lounge section, a smart 65-inch OLED TV, a surround sound system, and integrated climate control that can be managed through voice or smartphone. The panoramic roof provides an open view of the sky, adding to the sense of luxury and freedom. The kitchen in the Bugatti Motorhome is fitted with top-tier appliances including a dual-burner induction stove, a full-size refrigerator, a microwave, and a built-in espresso machine. All of these are integrated into a seamless smart home system that allows for full control via touch panels or mobile app. Storage compartments are intelligently designed to maximize space while maintaining a sleek and modern look. Moving to the bedroom, the motorhome offers a king-size memory foam bed with massage functionality and custom climate zones for ultimate relaxation. The attached bathroom is no less impressive, featuring a rainfall shower, smart toilet with bidet function, and a backlit mirror with temperature control. Every element inside this motorhome screams sophistication and comfort. Technology is at the heart of the Bugatti Motorhome. From autonomous driving capabilities on highways to advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera views, and emergency braking, it ensures not just luxury but peace of mind on every trip. The AI can also make driving adjustments based on weather, terrain, and traffic conditions to provide the smoothest ride possible. Connectivity is another major highlight. The Bugatti Motorhome comes equipped with satellite internet, 5G capability, and a centralized control hub that can be synced with other smart devices, including home systems. Whether you're parked in the mountains or traveling down a desert highway, you remain connected at all times. There's even a private workstation with a fold-out desk and noise-canceling features for those who need to work while on the road. With a price tag that matches its ultra-premium build, the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome is clearly aimed at an elite class of buyers. But it sets a new benchmark for what a motorhome can be. It isn't just about going from one place to another. It's about how you experience that journey. The balance of performance, technology, and opulence makes this one of the most exciting releases in the world of luxury vehicles this year. Thank you for watching this review of the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome. We hope you enjoyed discovering the unbelievable specs and premium features of this futuristic RV. For more exciting reviews, updates, and exclusive content from the world of luxury and high-performance vehicles, don't forget to subscribe to SA Car Review. Your support helps us bring you the best and latest in automotive innovation.